Today I'm going to show you Control Center. Actually, I'm going to introduce you to Control Center, and then over the next few videos I'm going to show you how to use it. Control Center is a really useful way to quickly access some of the settings on your phone without having to actually go to settings. So if you wake up your phone, and depending on your settings you might have to open it. To get to Control Center, you swipe in from the top right hand corner. You swipe down like that. On some phones, especially those with home buttons, you might have to swipe up from the bottom instead. Now, once you're in Control Center, again, you get to that by just swiping in from the top right hand corner. You will see Control Center. And there's many features such as airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your music and video controls, brightness and volume, screen mirroring, your focus mode, which used to be called Do Not Disturb, and many more. But right now I just wanted to show you how easy it is to access this. Again, all you do is swipe in from the top right hand corner like that. And then to close it, you can just swipe up from the bottom. If you have a home button, you might need to swipe up from the bottom to open Control Center, and to close it, you can just hit the home button. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.